You are watching Rebuilding Together Broward County in action. Today is a block rebuild day where volunteers are working side by side with community residents to revitalize 3 homes in Dania Beach, Florida. Rebuilding Together Broward improves housing for low-income homeowners and neighborhoods in need. We aim to eliminate unsafe living conditions for homeowners by providing critical home repairs at no cost to them.
This means so much to me because it's something I would have to come out of pocket to do myself, and with you guys doing that for me, this saves me a lot of money. I appreciate you guys so very much.
To revitalize this neighborhood, Rebuilding Together Broward partnered with stakeholders and the construction industry. The Construction Association of South Florida, the National Association of Women in Construction, the National Association of Black Women in Construction, Multimedia Works, and Rotary Social Samaritans, and others. Funding for this Rebuild Day came in part from 4 kickoff events they hosted. While today we're working on these homes, throughout the year we're going to paint and landscape over 40 homes throughout Dania Beach.
As a representative of the construction industry, we thought it was important that we step out of the box and give back to the community, create opportunities for young people to get involved. So here we are today to give back to the local residents.